Great morning, everyone. Today, welcome to the chemistry laboratory of St. Mira Convent School. Chemistry is not just a subject, it tells us the composition of matter.
Absolutely, Mandan. Our chemistry laboratory is a place where students learn through practical experiments, where theoretical knowledge is converted into practical experiments.
This is the test we use to do small chemical reactions and observe the chemical changes.
Mandan, this is test tube style, which is used to hold test tube safely during experiments.
Okay, and this is the beaker. It is used for mixing preparation and heating the solution.
Next, we have a conical flask, which is used for preparing solution and for filtration.
And this is the burette. It is used to measure and deliver liquids correctly.
And this is a ductile, which is used to transfer exact amount of liquid from one container to another.
Finally, we have the burner. It is used for heating the solutions.
Now we will demonstrate a simple experiment at chemistry and we will tell us how to identify a salt is acidic or basic or neutral.
Great morning, everyone. Today we will test the salt solution using a simple experiment.
The salt solution can be acidic, basic or neutral depending on the nature of acid and base from which they are formed.
A salt solution is acidic when it is formed from a strong acid and a weak base.
A salt solution can be basic if it is formed from a strong base and a weak acid.
A salt solution is neutral when it is formed from a strong acid and a strong base.
To identify the nature of the salt solution, we will use litmus paper. A red litmus paper turns blue when the salt solution is basic.
And if there is no color change, the salt solution is neutral.
Now, we will prepare the solution.
A blue litmus paper turns red when the salt is acidic.
In this beaker, we have taken sodium carbonate.
In this beaker we have taken sodium chloride.
Now we will dip red litmus paper in it and check its nature. If red litmus paper turns blue, it means the salt solution is basic in nature.
In this, there is no color change, so it is a neutral.
Through such experiments, students can learn chemistry in a practical and interesting way.
Our chemistry laboratory helps students to learn by creativity, observation skill about science.
Activities like this help students to involve thinking and scientific knowledge.
At St. Mira Convent School, we believe that education is not limited to textbook. Our school encourages students learning by observation skill, real-life experiences and creativity.
Under the best guidance of our respected teachers, students learn to explore science with a well-equipped laboratory.
Our school is committed to providing quality education and building a bright future for every student, especially by nurturing curiosity and confidence. We are proud to be the student of St. Mira Convent School. Thank you.